1978 Ford F-250 XLT Ranger. Crew cab, short bed, 4x4 pickup. This truck is basically a survivor with some very unusual options. One, a crew cab is extremely unusual. But on top of that, this is a factory air-conditioned truck. This truck had cab lights installed at the dealer. It had cruise control installed at the dealer. It had a few aftermarket accessories added, such as the bed cover, from what we're told, added at the dealer. The camper special hooks added at the dealer. There's the bed cover included. And at some point in its life, actually had power locks added. We have never seen that on a truck of this age. Lock, and all the doors lock and unlock. Pretty trick little deal. The inside of this truck, we don't know if it's been restored or not, but it is absolutely era correct. But we do believe it to be original. Floor shift 4x4, C6 transmission. Fin tagging still in the door. Fin tag still on the door. Bottoms of the doors are not decrepit and rotted out. It's obviously had a paint job at some time in its life, but don't think it's really hiding anything out of the ordinary. All the doors open and closed properly. 400 big block engine. Seems like it has an upgraded cam. 4-inch suspension lift. Proper steering components added with the lift. Drive shaft functional. Brand new 37-inch tires. Mud terrain. Mastercrafts. Eagle alloy wheels that look like weld wheels. Traction bars that somebody made. It's a really cool, well-preserved truck that, again, is basically a time capsule. They call this color combination root beer over competition orange. Not positive of that being factory color combination, but sure appears that way. Solid axle, of course. Disc brakes, headers. Took a new battery. Didn't really do much detailing under the hood. It's pretty original, other than a couple little dress-up items. Air conditioning, cruise control system. Check us out online, davisautosales.com or davis4x4.com. One extremely impressive truck here. As you can see, no shortage of cool trucks around. No matter what your fancy, whether it be classic, OBS, Duramaxes, show truck, practical truck, pretty much typically have something in stock. They do come and go rather briskly, of course, but we always keep some cool rides and some unusual pieces. A few SEMA trucks come and go. Check us out anytime. Telephone number 804-271-0030. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We're glad to help you out at any time. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe.